Yeah.
So Fabian actually has a cracked BMW software that allows him to go in and kind of move things around. He's essentially tricking the car to think that it's a later model with CarPlay. It's a 2016.
Yeah, but now we have like a 2018, 2019.
2017.
2017 is when they first introduced CarPlay.
Yep.
And now we have that. So it's still BMW software, which is cool. And we can connect a phone on here now, which is cool. But it looks very familiar. It's not an aftermarket piece, which is nice. But now everything should work.
I know we talked about a lot of different options. So this is a paint protection film. However, it's not clear. It's an opaque material.